Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna have fun and play with makeup. I'm gonna show you two looks using the new Friendcation palette from the DESIXKATY collection round 2. So let's get started. Look number 1, I'm gonna start with basic, and this shadow is basically just gonna be used to set that concealer that I already applied to prime my eyelids. I'm gonna use Necessity to start warming up my crease, and I'm using a very large fluffy brush just to start dusting this shadow all along my crease to create more definition. Now I'm gonna go in with Churro, and this one is definitely darker, a little bit more rich, more warm, so it is gonna intensify even more the look. So I am trying to concentrate this mostly on the outer part of the eye. Now we're gonna use Dirty Money, one of my favorite shadows in this palette. This is a beautiful green, but it's almost like a gold green. It's beautiful, honestly. So as always, I like to start applying it with my finger and then perfecting it with the brush. We're not doing a cut crease with this one because I wanted a softer look. Now with chins, I'm gonna apply this only in the lower part of the outer B of the eye just to intensify the V shape and blend it out with a fluffy brush. Now moving to the lower lash line, I'm gonna mix Necessity and Churro, and I'm gonna be warming up my lower lash line with this, blend it all out, and then lastly I'm gonna apply Dirty Money as well, just because I wanted that rich green gold look on the top and also on the bottom. Now time for lashes, and I'll be using Iconic by the House of Lashes. These are seriously my top 5 favorite lashes. They are just so comfortable to wear and they look amazing. Next, I'm using the Thrive Cosmetics Infinity Waterproof Liner to tightline my upper lash line. I show you this step because I think it's very important, especially when you're wearing falsies and you don't have a wing liner like I don't today. I'll be using a NYX Fox White liner to fill in my waterline. This is almost like a white liner, but it has a rosy tone and it just goes perfectly with this look. I wanted to show you what I use for highlighter because it is the highlighter in Chasing the Sun from this new collection. It is so stunning, so beautiful, and it looks so natural, as you can see. And I'm also using the same highlighter to highlight my inner corner of the eyes. And for lips, I'm using my main, one of the Velvet Liquid Matte lipsticks from this collection. And that's look number 1 completed. What do you think? She's seriously feeling herself. I love this look. Are you ready for look number 2? Alright, I'm gonna start with Necessity because this shadow is seriously a necessity. It's a perfect shadow to start warming up your crease and create more definition. I'm gonna use Churro as well because I want to intensify this upper crease just a bit. I love having this essential shadows in this palette because basically that's all you need. With this look, we are gonna cut the crease, so I'm doing a full cut crease using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm trying to make it as sharp as possible. Now we are gonna use a Moment shadow. This is my second favorite shadow from the palette, and you wanna fill in your entire crease with this shadow. I personally use my finger to fill in the bigger areas of my lid, and then I switch to a small brush to be able to be more precise around the crease line. And notice I'm leaving a slight gap towards the outer part of the crease because I'm gonna fill in that area or line with this NYX glitter liner that I have just to add an extra pop of glitter. Next, I'm using my NYX matte liquid liner to create a wing liner. As you can see, this look is definitely more dramatic, so we do need a liner, and I'm also applying falsies. These are the same Iconic by House of Lashes. To finish the lower lash line, I'm mixing Necessity and Churro, and I'm applying this all along my lower lash line. And don't forget to tightline as well, because you want to fill in any gaps between your real lashes and falsies. I'm also using the Chasing the Sun highlighter on the inner corner. Lastly, I decided to pair this look with the lipstick Aftermath from the same collection. And that's it, you guys. Let me know which look was your favorite in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't yet. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.